So guys, I had just come out for dinner and Shefali here surprised me with a cake. I didn't even realize this, but I hit 500k subscribers on my main channel. Guys, we are doing it, guys. Vlog channel at 5,000 subscribers, main channel at 500,000 subscribers. Guys, Okimoth is now going big. Thank you for getting me the cake. Should we taste it?
Yes.
Guys, should we ruin the diet? I think we should do it, huh? She got me a cute heart-shaped cake.
It's a small cake for
all of us.
person.
For all of us.
Yeah.
For all 500k of Okimoth subscribers. Here's a better view of it, guys. 500k.
Cute cake.
Cute. It's a heart. Can you guys see?
Cute like you.
It's cute like me, yes. Thank you so much for getting it. Should we taste it, guys? Let's taste it. Should I cut it? Do you want me to do a cutting?
Yeah, red is a knife.
You want me to cut it?
Yeah.
What are you gonna sing when I cut?
Happy birthday to your channel.
All peace, guys.
500k.
Oh, that was stupid. Cutting it like that, I'll spill everywhere. The camera eats first, not even you. Now you eat. How is it?
It's nice.
That's a decent
Should we
cake.
get a spoon?
Give me a spoon. Do you have a spoon?
Yeah.
Cameraman, give me the spoon. Taste test, guys. Even if it's bad, I'm gonna say it's good. Okay?
It fell.
Where it fell?
It fell on your shirt, left side.
That's a nice cake.
Don't lie.
Actually pretty decent. You guys will never know.
Because I got it, no, that's why.
Don't show this to Okimoth.
I was gonna write Okimoth also on that cake, but then it was so small that there was no space for it.
Last bite, guys. Last big bite. Cameraman. Hello. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. So, guys, last night we hit 500k subscribers on the main channel, and this channel hit 5,000 subscribers. So today it calls for a celebration. My log, not a small celebration. We are headed to Kawasaki showroom to have a look at some bikes. ठीक है? तुम्हारे भाई को suddenly bike का शौक चढ़ गया है, and guess who's taking me to Kawasaki? Cameraman, show yourself.
Me.
We are going to Kawasaki. Shefali is going to buy me a bike. No, you won't buy?
Of course I'll buy.
Of course she'll buy.
You, then who will I buy?
Exactly, right? What is all this money you're making for? Put on down payment of 6 lakh rupees.
Just 6 lakhs.
Just 6 lakhs, and then every month 50,000
Fine.
EMI. So the thing is, we have a lunch reservation at Lupa. It's a Sunday brunch, not even lunch. It's a Sunday brunch, and Lupa, they call it Lupina. Their Sunday brunch is called Lupina, and our reservation is in 5 minutes from now. But we've decided that गार्ड मराया reservation, पहले हम Kawasaki जाएंगे. I decided because यार I've been delaying this bike thing, I just want to go see bikes first. Big man needs a big bike, I was also considering Hayabusa, Suzuki Hayabusa.
Ugly bike.
Ugly bike, it's a dream bike for most boys, okay? It's a big boy bike, and I am a big boy.
Bulky.
It is a bulky, I'm
Muscular.
a muscular, a popular, spectacular, he's a bachelor. Guys, Kawasaki is there. Can you see that ZX 10R? But how do I get to that spot? I mean, there's no parking here. What do? We are at Kawasaki, but apparently there are no test rides. That's a little sad, no? It's pretty aggressive if you get it. You have to lean forward so much. Plus, there's no pillion. Look at that dashboard. So earlier, apparently, they had a semi-analog and semi-digital dashboard.
No, it's fully digital.
Now it's fully digital, but the semi-analog looked better, in my opinion.
This looks.
Just got out of Kawasaki. मैंने इनकी ZX 10R देखी, ZX 6R देखी, and Ninja 1100 SX भी देखी. All great bikes. I believe for somebody like me, the ZX 6R would be the perfect ideal purchase because I am going from a Enfield Classic 350. ठीक है? A 10R is way too overpowered for me. In fact, even 6R is way too overpowered. But I also want to get the 1100 SX because it's a sports tourer and it's a lot more comfortable. Looks great on me. What do you guys suggest? यार comment में बताओ. Shefali, which one do you think is good?
The black one.
They are all black, da.
No, the bottom black one. What was that?
The last one, the Ninja 1100 SX.
Yeah.
Shefali liked that one, guys.
Really liked it.
She is looking at her this thing. There's pillion seat on that. That's
Hey,
right.
no, bro, it's fine. Don't make me sit on it. That means
I'm like-
nobody else will sit on it either.
Oh wow! Did you hear that, guys?
Yeah.
She just said that अगर मैं नहीं बैठ सकती तो मतलब कोई और भी नहीं बैठ सकता. Wow!
Girl.
Smart you become. But yeah, I'm getting this bike with the intention of just a solo rider. I'm not thinking that pillion बैठाना and all. I'm thinking the bike is going to be just a one-man thingy.
Good.
Yeah. Change of plans, guys. We cancelled our reservation at Lupa.
Guys, he's damn mean. Because of his bike, I not eaten food for the last 6 hours of my life.
It's okay, guys. Now you'll eat good
Oh,
food.
my face.
I'll feed you, no. I'll feed you. So we are going to Pizza for Peace. I locked the car, yes. Go to Pizza for Peace and we're going there after a long ass time. It's been a
Yeah,
while.
I've been saying let's go for a while, and he's been like,
I
no,
think it's
I
been
don't
6
want to
months
do
at least,
pizza.
right?
Last time we went
Oh,
was
5
in
months.
October. I
5
guess.
months, yeah. Guys, it's packed. No pizza for her today. Are you upset?
Yeah.
Yeah. Our reservation though we cancelled and we walked into a place without reservation.
You can't get a reservation here anyway.
Chalo. Quick update, guys. We are now in the by-lanes of Indiranagar and we do not know where to eat. What are we doing?
Was it already almost 4?
It's 4 o'clock,
And everything
everything is
shut.
shut. And we don't have a reservation either. Where do we go?
Home.
Where do we eat? Guys, we've decided to come to this place called as Idil. This is a...
It's actually idli, and you're calling
No,
it
it's Idil. I know it's Idil. IDYLL. It's an Indian cocktail bar and restaurant, and this is a free appetizer that they give you. It's basically fryams with 3 types of dips.
A lot of friends.
A lot, right? A lot.
It's not good.
So we felt like eating Indian food. Actually, not felt like. This is the first restaurant that we spotted and we just walked in. Fortunately, we found a spot, although it is packed. भाई 4 बज रहे हैं Sunday के. Why is it so packed? Any which ways, we've ordered light food, just 3 starters and 1 mains. 3 starters, 2 chicken starters, 1 lamb. I always get 3 starters, boss. Yeah. My starters are here. This is a chicken tikka. That is also a chicken tikka, and that is a lamb something. Right, let's give it this a shot. You'll have to flip it upside down.
Should I eat it in one go?
How's that lollipop?
Very average.
Very average, no? Guys, so far, very average experience. And you know what's the most disappointing part? You see the chicken tikka. This is literally 1 piece of chicken which is cut into 3 pieces to make it look like a lot. Same thing here. Look at the size of that. What is that? Small as fuck.
What you will give me?
Chef, so far very average, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if the lal mas can make up for it. Decent portion size for the lal mas. The roti a little small though, right? It's good.
I don't know. I can't judge.
What can you judge, brother?
You.
You can judge me. Right, I'm going to give you my honest opinion of this curry. So the curry itself, not great. It's a little spicy, but the meat is amazing. The meat is really good, but the curry, okay.
I don't like it.
So guys, that was lunch. Very late lunch, like sunset hone ko aa raha hai. And all in all, I suppose not bad.
Yeah, I can't complain.
I can say overall a 7, like proper average definition. Yeah, definition of an average meal this was. The thing is, very inconsistent. मैंने chicken tikka फिर से order किया. The second time it was better. The lal mas was great, but the tandoori roti also inconsistent. First batch of tandoori roti very bad. Second batch very good. So it's I mean, there's so much inconsistency in one serving. Imagine you come back to this place.
I feel like when we ordered the first time, it was really crowded.
It was crowded. It
The
was
second
packed.
time they were
Second time थोड़ा खाली था. Maybe they could give more time. But that doesn't mean you shell out
yeah,
average
I'm just saying
food.
that is just probably a
Any which ways, we now want to get dessert and we were gonna go to Milano. सो भाई आइसक्रीम तो नहीं मिली बिकॉज मिलानो में सिर्फ गंदे फ्लेवर्स थे आज, ठीक है. दे डिडंट हैव इवन वन फ्लेवर ऑफ माई चॉइस. सो वी डिसाइडेड टू कैंसिल डिज़र्ट. मैंने शिफाली को ड्रॉप कर दिया एंड नाउ आई एम हेडिंग बैक होम. आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर 5000 सब्सक्राइबर्स. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.